going on? Show us,
Let's
Maddie.
check it
Show
down.
us.
Let's check it out. Let's check it down. Let's get down to this. All right. It's been the markets have been down. All right. I did exit. Let me get some coffee in here. I exited some positions over the weekend because we had some definitely overbought signals, and it just didn't look good for a lot of our let's look at near here. Okay, we got in a near. It was already questionable because we've been at the top here. It's just been raging here, and look at the distance here from the 50 EMA. When the price extends itself away from the 50 EMA, it likes to come back to the 50 EMA. All right. Um, and essentially, what it's been doing is just been in this range while the 50 AMA trends up, and then price this last 7 days almost, basically a week, just been trending downward, right? So we entered here, and yeah, we closed out pretty quick, right? Small loss, and then here, right, we went into a short, and now we have a pretty decent short going on here. So got it. Not every strategy. Well, every strategy will have losses. That's just the way trading works. You're never going to have a strategy that is 100% wins. So, you know, small losses, small wins, big wins. That's what it's all about. So, we cut our bags, or else, because what happens is a lot of people, right? They get down and they're like, oh man, I'm losing. This is also why you do good risk management, small percentage of your portfolio, like 2% or so, small leverage. If you're leverage trading, don't go crazy. Don't go 25x leverage is pretty insane, and it'll get you sweating when you're down. And you see your account, you're like, holy crap, I'm 200% down on my position, right? It's not very fun. It's not very fun trading that way. So, good risk management, guys, will allow you to make a profit. But yeah, so let's take a look at our positions here. So these are our short positions. Near, we're doing really nicely. This is about when I think I actually sold when we were down about like 20% or so. So definitely we've made up.
I feel so
our
bad
loss.
that on this episode where we're talking about a near project, we're also shorting near at the same time.
It's
It
just
hurts my heart, but it's nothing
no, it's
personal to
not.
near. It's just that this is how we play the market.
Bro,
So
yeah, it has
sorry.
nothing to do, right? Yeah, this isn't our hodl accounts. This is our leveraged trading accounts. Okay, we don't hold bags. We don't sit here and FOMO into anything. We just play by the charts.
Yep.
That's it.
Yep.
And the
We
charts
don't
we
even care what
trust.
the asset is. Really.
Absolutely not. I don't even look. Yeah, I say like, hey, anyone want me to trade any other shit coins? Send it on over. Like, I'll put it on the
We're
books.
not
Let's
saying
go.
near is one of those. We're not saying.
Well, what is the definition of shitcoin? Isn't it just? I mean, of course, it's like
Baby
basically,
Doge.
basically, I just see shitcoin as another way of saying altcoin. That's about
Yeah,
it. Which
I
is what
know.
anything other
That's
than
what we use.
Bitcoin.
We use those two interchangeably.
Yeah,
Well, there is no second best.
there is no second best. That means they're all
There's only
shitcoins,
near.
right? Yeah.
There is no second best. There's near.
Anyways, so I think I should have actually had some more short orders filled. So I'm pretty disappointed we only have 4, but we could be seeing some more short orders coming in today. We'll look at those in just a second. But right now, these ones are performing pretty well, right? BNB, XRP, SHIB, all nice shorts. Let's take a look at a couple of them. SHIB, yeah, and so near, I see, definitely more levels for it to come down. But yeah, this is interesting for SHIB because this could be done. This might be a good time to sell SHIB actually, because look, it came down here, reclaimed this giant vector candle, and immediately price started coming back up. So this could
Chickens
be a
drink
good
the
time
water.
to because we might be getting ready to long SHIB right here. So let's get ready for SHIB. Maybe I just end that one now. Let's see what the 4-hour I'm jumping here. Yeah, I mean 4 hour we got a green. You know, we have a divergence. Repeat, we have a 4 hour bullish divergence. Yes. Okay. I think this is a good time to actually take profit on
Are you gonna
SHIB.
just do it right now live?
Yeah, we're just gonna do it.
Cool. Taking profit like a boss. That's
All
what we
right.
do. We always take profit.
So
When in doubt, take
SHIB,
profit.
good one. Yeah, I mean, dude, I didn't have a chance to take a look at all these positions we were in this morning. So here we go. Let's check it out. BNB.
Oh wow,
These candles
interesting.
here on the 4 hour, it looks like we could be getting an
These could all
oversold
be. You might
signal
want
on
to
the
take profit
4
on
hour.
everything.
I don't
Maybe not
know.
yet, but
I mean, see, it did. Oh, you know what? It's actually right.
yeah,
You could say this is holding
it's at a
this.
support level.
Yeah, this is interesting. Um, okay, I'm going to keep an eye on BNB. I'm not going to sell yet because we could be seeing more prices down, right? It broke this level of support, but it's not holding on the daily. 4 hour does look like we could be getting a pump, but I'm not sure. You know, BNB might be one of those. Maybe I take profits and then I wait to see if I start seeing any short signals coming up and then enter back in short kind of type deal. That's how I might play this one. So let's make that. Let's just take some profits, huh? Let's just take it. 6% profits. We're just going to take it. And then I'm going to see after this little pump, see if this just kind of like a little retrace and then going back down, or if maybe we might have hit the bottom. That's why I'm going to be taking it, because this might be this, you know, there's confluences here that are saying, hey, this might be it. You know what I mean?
Taking profits left and right.
Taking profits. XRP. This is all right. XRP has had a couple of candlesticks here on the 1 hour that are doing pretty well. Okay, we do have some giant vector candles up here right in the same zone as the 50 EMA. Green wave on the 1 hour. 4 hour, we do have an oversold signal.
It's a little weak, but
Really
yeah.
lousy candle right now.
Yeah,
So
it's a little
I'm not
weak.
too convinced. Oh, we have a vector red candle here on the daily. So, you know, as you can see, right, what do vector candles mean? Right? This means that the market right now, the market makers are going long while all the retail traders are going short. And then what's going to happen, right? Vector candles mean the price likes to reclaim it. It likes to come, not always right back up, right? Here, it took a few days before it got reclaimed. Here, it took like a week before it got reclaimed. So this might actually be a good one to take out, just because it's like, hey, you know what? We could be starting to see candles starting to reclaim this vector candle anytime now, right? I always like to sell on vector candles. It's my, so ultimately it's like, yo, this is like,
Couldn't tell.
this is what's telling me is like, yo, market makers are wanting to actually start driving this back up and trap and, you know, liquidate all the people going into shorts right here. So you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just do it.
Yes. Take this
That's a nice
profit.
one.
Take this profit.
15%. That's a nice one. Near, I'm gonna right. Okay, I'll watch near, but 20% seems pretty tasty to me.
I know, right? Hard not to just take that, huh?
But you know, I am still looking for shorts. So what I'm going to do here is see how these pumps work out on the 4 hour
And then you might get
and
back
1
in.
hour, and we might get back in on a short.
Oh,
You know,
wow.
because the daily we're still going short. So let's see how that works out.
Savage.
Our longs here, our worst position
So
is Sol. Let's check out Sol. Sol daily looks like it wants to print a short. However, this could get repainted today. DOGE did this to me yesterday. You know, it hit our stop loss, and then you know, hit our stop loss, So we closed,
Of
down
course.
on
I love
Doge.
when it does that. Love when
Yeah.
it just barely hits your stop loss by $2 and
That's
then
two.
shoots
It
up. That's the
basically, here.
best.
Let me show you. Well, real quick. I'm on Sol. Looks
Mm.
pretty bad. Am I gonna stay in this one, or do I cut my bags? Do
It's
I
almost like
cut
a
my
bot
bags?
designed the market just for you in those moments. You're like, it did that
Yeah.
just to take my liquidity.
You know
It
what? I'm gonna
just
watch.
stole my liquidity.
So if Sol gets starts to get an overbought signal, I might just get out of it and cut the losses and get ready to go short. Right? You know what I mean? Because it's either gonna kind of move up with the market today, or or just do this range here. No one can see what's going on. Range here, and then just come right down. Because it could be just rejecting off of this level of resistance or up here. Maybe it reclaims this candle zone. We'll see. So I'm going to be watching with Sol, but I might cut that bag loose, and then get ready to short it, and then take the profits when it comes back down. Right. I wanted to show Doge and what Doge did to me. Look at this. See, it came down, and our stop loss, I believe I had my stop loss, like, I can't remember. It was somewhere down here. Somewhere in this wick zone was my stop loss. And it just came down, triggered it, skyrocketed right back up. So I was like, oh man, it didn't even give me a chance. We should have short. I was trying to actually get a short in, but it didn't fill. This is one of those ones where I put an order and it didn't fill. But I would have had to have been around in order for me to take profits. I would had to have been around to be able to get this wick to take profits. I just wasn't. So it's all right. It happens. It hits your stop loss, gets pumping back up. I might look into buying it, but the fact that I don't like to buy into vector candles, right? Because vector candles mean the market maker is actually shorting here. This could actually be a great opportunity. Like if you just sat here and you were like, okay, every green vector candle, I'm going to try the top of it, right? You're going to short every green vector candle. You're going to try to short the top of it or short anywhere, because what's going to happen, the price is going to come back to it likely at some point, right? And then it gives you a chance to take profits.
Likely.
Yes, it doesn't happen all the time. But I mean, look at this one. Yeah, that would have been great. Take a short, comes down. You might want to take a long here, and then you're basically kind of waiting for the price to come up in this zone to take your profits. Because market makers could wait for a long time before they see. Look at this one; they had to wait for a long time until until they came back up here to make a profit on their longs. Okay, so it takes some time, but still, I mean that strat is pretty decent. I haven't done a back test on that, on just doing the vector candles. That would be kind of interesting to kind of do a back test to see how that works out. Um, but yeah, all right, let's check out what ape. We're still not in ape because look at this crazy wave. It's just been
Jeez,
like
man.
we're gonna get
Wow.
over we're gonna get over bot signal. Nope. Over bot signal. Nope. It's just pumping. We got all-time highs. Well, at least on this chart. I think it might have actually spiked when they first dropped a little bit higher than this. But still, got 18, not quite to 19. In fact, it's got to get to 19 before it gets to 20. So, I mean, we're still waiting for it to get to those levels, but I mean, it's doing great. I mean, just this trend up is just absolutely, and I think a lot of it has to do with just everyone starting to hoard ApeCoin, because there's about any day now they're going to drop
Yeah.
the
Buy the rumor,
land sale and
sell the
all that.
news.
Yeah. That's soon, any moment they're going to drop the land sale for the other side and all this. So I think this has a lot to do with that. And it'll be interesting just to see what happens with Ape here, but it's pumping, and
Yes,
they're in.
indeed.
Let's see what's doing on the, dude. Yeah, today it's getting an oversold signal, We could see a nice pump.
If I was
1
an ape
hour starting to
holder,
say
I'd
we
probably
could be
sell my
fading,
ape
but we'll see. Nothing too,
and hold an ape coin.
dude. Yeah, shoulda hoarded that sucker at $7 when
Or
he had
10
a
or
chance.
whatever. Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right. Well,
Okay. Well, I think that does it for the charts today. And
yeah, I think I did a long time on the charts.
no, that was perfect. I'm glad you went over our positions and you sold.
You
You took
know?
some profit on some. So that's cool. That's cool. I love that all just happened live. That's making me feel all good inside. It's a great start to the
Yeah,
week.
and our position, Luna, it's not really dead yet. I think we could definitely see it come back up, and we could take profits on our long still.
I'm just
Not,
breathing my hopium.
yeah, breathe your hopium. I know we have trending. Looks like daily could be pretty rough on as far as that kind of goes. But look at this candle. This could be the bottom. You know what I mean? This kind of wick.
Yeah.
However, we do have this giant. Oh my god! Look at this.
Oh. Yeah. Well, I'm
I
looking
think
at it.
Luna might want to try to reclaim that. Maybe. Maybe. You know what I mean? What did I just say about
I know
vector
what you mean.
candles? They like to be claimed. It
Yeah.
could just be a nice wick down, right back up. That's what I would. All right, maybe we'll see. We'll see what happens if I get Luna back up into little profits. Might take it and get ready to short that sucker.
Okay, well, keep your eye on the charts and keep watching the show for daily updates on what we're doing with our little portfolio experiment for the show here.